Welcome to Week News. This is Mahesh from Million Dots. Indian stock market ends flat today after a volatile session. The blue chip NSE Nifty 50 index added 0.12% to close at 14,956 after rising to 14,111 at day's high. Benchmark S&P BSE Sensex gained 0.7% to close at 50,441.7. Both indices has gained as much as 1.2% earlier in the session. Market sentiment also tracked global shares, which were mixed at initial optimism over the US Senate's passing on $1.9 trillion stimulus bill gave way to inflation fears. Nifty has started the week not giving up the early gain mainly due to the weak Asian cues later in the day. Nifty is repeatedly facing the selling pressure from 15,100 to 15,200 band. So far, 14,862 level has provided support. A breach of this level could take the Nifty to 14,637 to 14,725 band, said Deepak Jasani, head of retail research HDFC Securities. The Nifty Financial Service Index closed 0.37% lower, dragged down by HDFC Limited, which fell 1.3%. The Nifty IT Index, which rose 3.82% last week, continued to add to its gains, closing off 0.47% higher. Technically, the Nifty seems to be trading in a range. Further directional cues are likely to emerge on a move beyond the 14,862 to 15,111 range. A close below 14,862 is likely to lead a correction towards the 50-day SMA, which is currently at 50,610. On the upside, crucial resistance to watch for signs of strength are at 15,203. Nifty formed a small bearish candle on daily scale with long upper shadow, which indicates limited upside with absence of direction. Now it has a cross and hold about 15,000 to witness an up move towards 15,150 to 15,250, while on the downside immediate support exists at 14,800 to 14,700. Nifty formed a small bearish candle on daily scale with long upper shadow, which indicates limited upside with absence of direction. Now it has to cross and hold above 15,000 to witness an up move towards 15,150 to 15,250, while on the downside immediate support exists at 14,800 and 14,700. India VIX fell down by 3.5% to 24.67. VIX is turning highly volatile in broader range of 21.80 to 29.64. For last 10 trading sessions, cool down in VIX below 21 to 20 zones is required for a bullish grip. Asian market failed to hold initial gains and our market also fell from the highs. We can see a further fall in the market until indices cross. On Tuesday, Nifty and Sensex will find the support between 14,860 and 14,890. It's all about this week. This is Mahesh signing off. Thank you.